Behind this blurry mess, you can see our new electronic workshop we started to build, and in the end, it came out so awesome. This video will be a lot less speaking, since we're trying a new style of editing for videos. We have actually created subtitles for YouTube, so turn them on if you want to, and grab your favorite snacks and be seated for this video. It's gonna be awesome.
Before we continue, let me tell you a little bit about this video's sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is a parts manufacturer who provides custom PCBs, CNC parts, and many other services to hobbyists and companies alike. Their simple instant quote tool gives you a really precise price estimate even before ordering, and their customer service is super helpful. One thing I personally love about PCBWay's website is their 24-hour production status transparency. They will update your product's manufacturing status live, and you can see exactly how your order is progressing. Their cheap prices and fast services are definitely worth checking out, and you can do that by clicking the first link down in the description.
We have now run up all the LED strips here, and now we're installing the ESP32 with a MOSFET and also a temperature and humidity sensor.
Yeah. So that is connected to Wi-Fi, and via the Wi-Fi we can now program and read the data, and we can show you a little bit more in future videos if you want to know how to program the ESP32. We use very easy software, so it's pretty easy to do. No custom codes required. Yeah.